This is question 24 of the final passage of the first section of LSAT PrepTest 157's reading comprehension to begin the exam. As always, we've got our highlighted sentences ready to go and our highlighter tool selected. We read the question stem to engage it. Which one of the following is identified in the passage as a response to the pressures of debt repayment that would avert a negative impact on the environment? Well, we're saying that in this question task, we want to talk about when the debts did not negatively impact the environment. We know that everything about the negative impact is going to be in the first paragraph. So we're going to scroll on down to this second paragraph where we get the information from the author who says that no, it's not necessary that just because you got this debt repayment that it's automatically going to harm the environment. And we want to go and read in the paragraph where we might not have read so far for other questions. And we'll just pick up with the impact of debt, and we'll read through the end until we start getting to the summary statement. So the impact of debt on environmental indicators such as pollution or depletion of other resources has not yet been studied. Similarly, with respect to the domestic spending argument, while debt-saddled nations might shift money away from programs designed to enhance quality of life, it is just as likely that they would shift the money from plans that, if implemented, would have a negative impact on the environment. For example, they might abandon plans to build new dams or roads or eliminate subsidies that promote fertilizer or pesticide use. Okay, so this is saying that you don't get a negative impact because you might actually not have money to do something like build a new dam or a new road. So we want to have that in our mind as a mental prediction as we go to the answer choices, seeking reasons to eliminate and holding the highlight tool to mark them as we identify that reason to eliminate or potentially select that matches what we just read. So reintroducing traditional farming methods. There's nothing about traditional farming methods in here at all, so it's just a subject that's not broached. We eliminate choice A for that reason. Then choice B, opening up land for new crops. Well, no, that would be a negative impact on the environment. So eliminate choice B is basically being a reversal of what was sought. Now, choice C, tailing road construction. Well, that was right over here in the abandoned plans to build new dams or roads, and it matches what we read, and we read very specifically and targetedly. And we know that choice C matches that information. We can now go briskly through the remaining options. Of course, there is nothing about sanitation, nor is there a discussion about raising prices on exports. And you can see once again how the main idea highlighting is not meant to be comprehensive, but it is intended to give you an idea of what else is in that paragraph so that when you are asked for details, you can read really efficiently in a targeted window to get to the right answer, which in this case is C.